गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर बल्किंग डे सीरीज। आज मेरा बल्किंग का एक डे 83। तो आज मैं पहला मील ले रहा हूँ स्प्राउट्स। इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपको दिख ही रहे होंगे, फटक से खाते हैं। और हाँ, आज मेरे घर में एसी सेटअप हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा उससे बिजी हूँ, बाकी ठीक है। चलो लगते हैं भाई काम में। सो गाइस, यहाँ लगने वाला एसी और इसका रूम में लगने वाला एसी। पूरा एक्साइटेड है इस चीज को लेके। लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसलिए मैं तो यहाँ सोता नहीं हूँ, मैं जस्ट बैठता हूँ। वो भी क्या फैन है हमारे पास। तो ब्रेकफास्ट में मैं खा रहा हूँ स्प्राउट्स के बाद ब्राउन ब्रेड ऑफ 4 स्लाइसेस, और इसमें है, देखो गुड़ दिख रहा है भाई, यहाँ इसमें ये है एंड दूध। चलो कंप्लीट करते हैं भाई।
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8.
देख सकते हैं इनका रूम लग रहा है एसी, कैसा लग रहा है।
9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going.
तो गाइस अभी रूम में एसी लगा के थोड़ा डस्ट वस्ट हो गया है, और देखिए मम्मी लोग कहाँ बैठे।
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
एसी लग गया है पूजा के रूम में, और पूजा क्या कर रही है, झाड़ू लगा रही है। झाड़ू लग रहा है। वाओ वाओ ब्यूटीफुल। हे गाइस, तो मैं आ गया हूँ, पूरा एसी उसी सब कुछ सेटअप हो गया। फिर मैं आ गया अभी जिम, ये भी आ गया। लेकिन देखिए पता नहीं कौन से ख्वाबों में ख्यालों में खोया हुआ है। क्या चलेगा आज? क्या देख रहे हैं? बाइसेप देख रहे हैं, लगा बाइसेप देख, 17 इंच का बाइसेप है, देख रहे हैं?
17 इंच का डोला है, 17 इंच का।
गाइस चलो बैक और बाइसेप को तोड़ते हैं अच्छे से। मसल्स तोड़ते हैं, क्या तोड़ते हैं? मसल्स को तोड़ते हैं।
Yeah. I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and past. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet out, get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change, everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name,
like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now, swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow, stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no react, no react. Think I'm black, up his back. While I'm rap, not to step, throw a jab.
कुछ खा के आया था? ब्राउन ब्रेड, पीनट बटर ब्रेड, मैं भी वही लेके आया हूँ। खुल जा, वाह। चलो फटाक से कंप्लीट करते फिर घर निकलते। तो गाइस फाइनली एसी लग गया, जैसे कि देख रहे हैं। तो पूजा, सालों का तमन्ना आपका पूरा हो गया?
सालों का नहीं, 9 महीने का।
हमारा जो भी है, साल भर का जो भी तमन्ना था कि गर्मी में हम एसी लगाएंगे, और फाइनली भाई एसी लग गया। बहुत क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मुशक्कत के बाद ना। हाँ ना, ये भी बैठेगा यहाँ पर जिसको छात्री बोलते हैं। देख रहा भाई, बैठेगा नहीं, सोएगा। तो गाइस एक बात तो रहेगा ही, हम लोगों ने इसका मेकअप तो कर दिया अच्छे से, लेकिन पूजा नहीं हुआ भाई। पूजा करेगी सुबह, तुम कल पूजा करेगी?
पूजा हो चुका है।
नहीं, तुम करेगे? मैं देख रहे यही श्रद्धा, मन से पूजा कर लिए, पैसा बचा रही है भाई मिठाई का। तो गाइस रात के खाने में रोटी, बेसन का सेव और आलू की सब्जी।